In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix corrupted game data on your PSP. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Fixing corrupted game data on your PSP can be frustrating, but in this video I'm gonna show you a few methods that you can try depending on the cause of the corruption. So for simple fixes, always start by restarting your PlayStation Portable. Restarting your PlayStation Portable or simply PSP will often clear up temporary glitches that might be causing the corruption to appear. So by restarting the PSP, you will be able to determine if the problem was easy to solve. If it doesn't work, then the next thing to do is to check the memory stick. Make sure that your memory stick is properly inserted into the PSP. If possible, and you do have the option to do this, try using a different memory stick with your PSP. If the issue persists, then the problem is going to be attributed to the actual console. But if you use a different memory stick and that one works, it could indicate that the original memory stick was the problem. Now, besides this, check the folder structure. PSP games are stored in specific folders on the memory stick. Incorrect placement can lead to game appearing corrupted, so connect your PSP to your computer via USB, open the PSP memory stick on your computer, and locate the corrupted game folder. It might be titled Game, Game 111, Game 5XX, and so on. There are plenty of folders and you can explore those accordingly. Try moving the game folder to a different one within these three designated folders. So for example, if the game that you are trying to manage is in the folder titled Game, move it to the Game 5XX folder. Afterwards, disconnect your PSP from the computer and try launching the game again. You can repeat this process sometimes over and keep switching it between different folders to see how it goes. If it still doesn't work, then sadly there's not much else that you can do. For advanced methods, you can look for hidden files which might be associated with the corrupted game. So to address them, once again, connect your PSP to your computer, make sure that you have permissions to view hidden files on your computer, and you will be able to look for a hidden file with the same name as the corrupted game. Usually, it is going to be prefixed by a dot. So, once you find this file, which usually is going to be a little transparent on the Windows Explorer, you will be able to delete the hidden file, disconnect your PSP, and then try launching the game again. If all else fails, I would suggest doing a completely restore of the system storage, aka formatting your PSP. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix corrupted game data on PSP. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.